Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Dodge Charger SXT Rally, stock number E1902X. Only 36,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, B5 blue in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Chargers in the large car class, seats 5, cloth interior. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Rally has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Beats sound system, power driver's seat along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Paddle shifters for when the 8-speed automatic transmission is put into manual mode. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated front seats. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. That 8-speed automatic transmission. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box. Ahead, auto dimming mirror and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Charger has a 3.6 liter V6, 300 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Nice balance of power and fuel economy. Along with those 300 horses, EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.